Navigation system, sunroof, sport, premium convenience and imp. Cold weather packages, cold weather package, heated front seats, heated mirrors, and heated washer jets. Convenience package, auto headlights, auto dimming rear view mirror, rain sensor, and universal garage door opener. Premium package, automatic air conditioning, cruise control, electric panoramic sunroof, multifunction steering wheel, and onboard computer. Sport package, dynamic stability control, front fog lamps, and xenon headlights, anti-lock brake system, brakes, alloy wheels, low tire pressure warning, navigation system, remote keyless entry, and traction control. Carfax certified. This charming-looking 2006 Mini Cooper S is the fuel-efficient vehicle you've been hunting for. This fantastic,